Hi, Sarah Banas here, Spectrum Weavers. I'm going to show you today how to use a weeding pen. So this tool is probably the best tool that I've ever come across in all of my years of cutting. It just makes weeding so much easier and funner. I do a lot of very intense weeding projects, so I couldn't imagine weeding without one of these. Let's go ahead and get started. I'll show you the weeding pen first. You can see that it is retractable. So that makes a big difference because when I'm done with it, I can retract it and just put it down anywhere and not have to worry about somebody getting poked with it. So, or breaking for that matter. So, super easy to use. Take it right in at the corner. See how I'm kind of leaning this on my finger. Poke that down. Peels it up super easy. See how sparkly this vinyl is too? I'll link that in the description also. So, super easy, same thing. Tip it down, poke it in, just pick it right up. And then I want to show you how with the smaller pieces, so let's tip it down, pick this up. But let me show you how on this little tiny piece right here, how easy it makes it with that. So again, tip it down, pick it right up. It's like a magnet. And if you ever don't pick it up right away, you can slip the weeding pen right underneath it and it just picks it up. It's like a magnet. I don't know how to explain it. The first time you use it, you're just going to be amazed at how much easier it is. Again, so I'm laying it down against it, tipping it in, and picking it up. Simple, simple, simple. Super pretty, super easy. Like I said, I will link everything in the description. I'll link this vinyl that I'm using. The video doesn't do it justice. It's super duper sparkly. I'll link this vinyl. I will link this weeding pen. This one is super inexpensive. It's got a nice, just the weight of it, the way you hold it is super comfortable. I like the action of it's just got a really smooth action. So I'll link this in the description. I'll link the vinyl in the description. I'm also going to link my Facebook group. It's Cricut and Silhouette for beginners. It's a fantastic group. Super friendly, super helpful, super knowledgeable. Just a great place to be. Come join us. You're going to love it there. So that's it. If you have any questions at all, feel free to ask them in the comments or join the group and ask them there, and I'm happy to help. Have a good day. Bye.